Problem 4. Consider 8, 13, 21. After the first two terms in the sequence above, each subsequent term is the sum of the two immediately preceding numbers. For example, 21. In other words, we got a Fibonacci sequence here. 8 plus 13 is 21. The next number after that, they're going to go, oh, 8 plus 13 is 21, so now I'll do 13 plus 21, which is 34. And then 21 plus 34, 55. And so forth and so forth and so forth. If I continue to do that, it might be easier if I show you that this way. If I do that, I'm then going to have 89, then 144, 233, and then one more, 377. Okay. Notice what it wants to do. How many of the first 60 terms of the sequence are odd? Now, I've listed out a few, but do we really going to go out 60? You know they're not going to need you to do that. What I want you to pick up on here is notice, and that's why I sort of wrote these out. That guy is even. An even and then plus this odd gives us an odd answer. When I do an odd and an odd, it gives me an even answer. Now I do the odd and the even, which gives me an odd. Even and odd again gives you odd. But when you add two odds, you then come back to even, which then gives you odd and odd. Notice it seems to go even, odd, odd. Even, odd, odd. Even, odd, odd. It's going to continue this way. Now it wants to know the first 60 terms of this sequence. Well, think about it. How many sets of 3 in 60? There's going to be 20 sets of these, with 2 out of each of them being odd. So there's going to be 40 odd numbers when I do this, and there's going to be 20 even, because it goes even, odd, odd, even, odd, odd, even, odd, odd. So once I do this out 60 times, there'll be 40 odds, 20 evens. There's twice as many odds for every even. So it says, how many of the first 60 terms of the sequence are odd? 40 of them. Choice D. We just have to sort of notice the pattern going on there. And once you sort of go, oh, even plus an odd is odd and odd is even, odd and even, odd, even, odd, odd, you start to pick up on that. You know when they ask you for something, especially when they say 60 terms, you got to be thinking, hey, there's got to be a pattern here. Let me try and figure it out. And that's exactly what we did. Problem 4, the answer is D.